Well, this is the best GoPro we've ever made. Hero 5 Black is the, you have to think, should I use the housing or not? It's waterproof and durable all on its own.
They don't have to fumble with the clear water housing anymore. It's just built right in.
You can just take it out of the box, hit the water and go down to 10 meters, go snowboarding, no need for any extra protection. The fact that you'll get such amazing quality video and audio.
The touchscreen on Hero 5 Black makes it so that anybody can pick up a GoPro and figure out how to use it without being told.
Whether you're a novice, whether you're a professional, whether you're on the top of the mountain or you're having fun with your kids, we wanted to make it as easy as possible to capture the moment while still being in the moment.
You can literally preview the shot, scroll through your options, and it's live changing the effect.